Welcome to my honest review of AXA Legal Services, your potential go-to platform for reliable legal advice and claims support. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about this platform, starting from its interface and design to its diverse range of legal services. Upon landing on the homepage, the clean and professional layout immediately catches your eye, featuring intuitive navigation that makes accessing legal resources straightforward. At the top of the homepage, you'll find a clearly labeled menu with categories such as legal advice, claim support, and FAQ. Each section provides detailed subcategories, ensuring users quickly find what they need. The website search functionality is another standout feature, allowing users to enter specific queries and get results instantly. Moving to the legal advice section, AXA Legal Services offers resources on a variety of topics including family law, business law, and property disputes. Each topic is presented with a clear breakdown of steps and common legal scenarios, giving users an understanding of what to expect. I was particularly impressed by the inclusion of video consultations with legal experts. Booking an appointment is seamless, and the availability of both scheduled and on-demand sessions ensures flexibility for clients with different needs. Next is the claim support section, which offers comprehensive guides for filing insurance claims, resolving disputes, and understanding your rights. This part of the site also features downloadable templates for legal documents, saving users time and money. The FAQ section is equally valuable, addressing common legal concerns with clear, jargon-free answers. What sets AXA Legal Services apart is its integration of client testimonials and case studies. These provide real-world examples of how their services have helped others, instilling confidence in new users. I also noticed the platform is optimized for mobile use, maintaining the same smooth experience whether you're on a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. Throughout my exploration, I found the site to be fast, responsive, and well-organized, with no glitches or delays. This speaks volumes about the site's technical quality and reliability. In my personal experience, I found the overall service highly professional, catering well to both individuals and businesses. If you're looking for a trustworthy legal platform with a modern touch, AXA Legal Services could be the ideal choice. Whether it's legal advice, claims management, or access to expert consultations, this website has something for everyone. Thanks for watching my review of AXA Legal Services. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your support helps me continue creating quality content. See you in the next video.